Okay, guys, I pulled out this Lipophone Les Paul, and I hooked it up, and I got the amp set on. It's a box over there, and I got it set for a twin or whatever it is. And I'm gonna leave it the same settings the whole time I'm doing all this testing. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm just gonna show you that it plays without screaming. So see, there we go. So now we're gonna take it. We're going to put it up on the table. We're going to hook the lights onto it, and then we're going to see if it goes to screaming when we do that. So nothing like the present time. Let's do it right now. Y'all ready? Okay, I'm at the stage where I got to test these lights with some electronics to see what they're going to do. So when I turn all these on, are they going to make a guitar go crazy? Now, this guitar is not wired up, but I got a Les Paul over there that's wired up pretty much the same as this one's going to be. So I'm going to take all the flames off and move them over onto that Les Paul. But here's what they're supposed to look like when they're all on. And then here's the other set. And let me give you a computer. Turn off studio lights.
Okay.
Now that'll give you an idea of the way it works when it's all flashing and doing what it does. So we got to figure out if that's going to make the guitar go crazy. That's what I want to know. So computer, turn on the studio lights.
Okay.
Good deal. Okay, so let's turn that off and that off. And what I did is I put a piece of tape across here, here, and here to hold the flames kind of in position the way I had them laid out. So when I go to put them back together, they'll kind of be in shape, and it'll also help me to make this slot that I'm going to make right here for all these to drop into. Help me kind of lay out where I'm going to do that, so I can do all that at one time. So, yeah, let's take them off of it and put them on the Les Paul and just see if it screams, okay? Because I've been warned that most likely that's going to happen, so we probably need to deal with it now. So before we get it all put together and ain't got a place to put whatever we got to put to stop it. So let me see if I can get all this tape to turn loose here that I got taped on here. Okay. We're coming up okay so far. You know, I think I'm going to put another one across the end of the wires right there, guys. About right here. Put another one right there to kind of hold all those little things together. And then when I pick them up, I think I might put one under the bottom of them, too, to help hold them in place so they don't run away on me. Okay, now. Let's see how much we got up here now. We got all that up. We're coming up right here now. Okay. I got it. Okay, let's get this over a little bit and out of the way. We can lay this back down so we don't stick it to anything. I really don't want to stick it to the table. Let's turn it over. Let's turn it over like this and take another piece of tape like we talked about right now and do the bottom edge right across here. I hope I don't tear none of the wires apart when I start taking this stuff apart, guys. Okay, now, I guess we can take this thing and carry him over and put him up on the rack out of the way where he can't get hurt. Okay, there's a really work stand. Let me get kind of centered up under the camera best I can. We're going to be working down here. We ain't worried about the headstock, so let's just lay the guitar right in the stand, on the stand right there. Shut up. Now, we're going to bring in all the blazing fire and just lay it on top of it. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Y'all ready to find out? Listen, let's see what happens. I hear a little buzz. Uh-oh. Now I got a flashing buzz. Y'all hear it? Uh-oh. Let me turn the other set on. I mean, it's not overpowering it. It's not as bad as it was the first time I tried it. Oh, here we go. That's where it's coming from. Check it out. Oh, yeah. It's coming out of that right there. Boom, boom, boom. I messed it's supposed to do that. Let's see. Okay. Got to come up with a plan. I had an idea. Hold on to me a second. Let me grab some foil right quick. We'll see if we can make it. I'm back with the genuine Reynolds wrap. Reynolds wrap aluminum foil. Let's see if that makes any difference, okay? Y'all ready? And we're going to take these two controllers. I don't know, y'all can't really see that, can you? Let me give y'all a better angle. See if I can get the camera to move for me, okay? Okay, down here, get y'all down here where you can see a little better. Okay, y'all get in there with me now? So I'm going to put this battery back in here, kind of lay it in. Because I had them kind of laid out while I was working on it, looking at them, seeing how I can put a better battery in. So we're going to do that. And here I got a piece of aluminum foil. Okay, listen. Yeah, I do. Now, I'm not really the best guy to be judging this because I got really bad hearing loss from working construction my whole life. I bet it still goes crazy when we do this. Let's see. Oh, yeah. I'd say aluminum foil didn't do a damn thing. What do y'all think? I mean, it's pretty quiet right there once you get it away from it. It's going to be buried inside the guitar, like right in there. Well, inside, up inside right there, since where it's going to be. I can hear it. Yep, I can still hear it. It's still there, guys. Oh, yeah. Now, I'm wondering something here, guys. Y'all thinking the same thing I am? If one layer of Reynolds wrap's not good enough, maybe two is. Okay, let's wrap it around it again. Whoa, don't grab that. Okay, let's go around it and make sure we get all closed up. All the signal in. Now I'm listening. Oh, it gets there when you get it there. It does. It's quieter though. Huh. You know, they always say there's a point of diminishing returns on stuff, but this might not be one of them situations because I got tinfoil for days. If this thing will stop doing that, so just get it down there on a real good wrap. Make sure that this goes over here, and this one comes over here, and this one goes there. Okay, let's go this way. Okay, let's fold this one up this way real good. There you go. Close that up around those wires. And then we're going to go around this way. Now, so Let's put it behind the guitar where it would go. It's still there. Now, if the controller goes over the pickups, it's definitely still got it. Computer, turn off studio lights.
Okay.
I can't reach them. I was gonna hit the buttons and get them out of sequence with each other, but I mean they're not near as bad as they were. Okay. I guess I could probably bleed it off with a capacitor is what somebody's telling me. So I'm going to try that, but I'm going to, like, this whole works is going, these controllers are going to go in some kind of shielded box. I got to make something to put them in. So, computer, turn on studio light.
Okay.
Okay, so let me hit the old button here and turn that back off if it will. Okay. So, now, what did we learn? Well, we learned that aluminum foil kind of shields, I guess, but not really. I guess it's what you're shielding. I mean, that's a pretty strong signal from what it sounds like. So I don't know how that compares to a ground signal or buzz, regular buzz in a guitar. I mean, I don't have any guitars that buzz. All mine's got good grounds. They all work. So, but yeah, that guitar is a good guitar. It plays great. And as soon as you put that on it, you pick up in that amp that frequency pitch with those. And it's coming through the pickups. And I don't know how good this guitar is shielded inside, this Les Paul. I mean, it probably isn't very good, I don't think. So that may be part of the problem, but they're open pickups. I mean, so, I'm thinking the thing to do is when I cut this other one in the back of the guitar over here, I'm going to just channel me a channel across to put those controllers in, and the whole thing's going to get like 4 coats of the graphite paint or whatever that stuff is, and try that, and then add some copper foil on top of that maybe. I don't know. I mean, I'm going to do what I can. And then one guy suggested, my buddy, one of my Rab, I think it is, suggested I go with a capacitor, and he told me the number of it, and I got it wrote down on my pad there. So I'll check and see if maybe we can do that. I just got to ask him where he want me to put that thing. Because I don't know electronics, guys. I know gold prospecting, okay? Spike's gold prospecting. I make gold prospecting equipment. This is the first guitar I ever built in my life. I cut them out, learned to do it, went to shit. So now we're back on the trail. We're going to make them happen just because of this thing. This contest is enticing me to go again and make these, okay? So that's what it's about. So, yeah, I'm learning, I'm in the shop doing this, I'm making my gold stuff and sending it out and just staying busy and getting over what alwa's been ate of me. That's what you got to do, guys. So remember, do what you got to keep busy.